Welcome to my channel. This is SneakyLittlePunk. I'm Nadia. I'm 8 years old, and today I'm going to teach you how to fry an egg. So first, let's get started. First, we can take one of an egg. I'll just take one egg. And then we first gonna on the fire, the slow fire. Okay, there we go. Let it heat up for a moment. While it's heating up, I can get the oil. Voila. And then I can pour the oil. Okay, let's pour it carefully. Don't want too much. I'm gonna pour a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. It can cover the whole pan. Tap, close it back. Okay, so we're gonna wait for a moment while we wait, let's talk. So remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe, always subscribe. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a new video. Okay. I'm gonna get one of this vegetables here. Let's see if we get one. Okay, this one looks kind of beautiful. I like it so much. It looks like a toy, but it's not a toy. Well, how do I stir it? You know, never mind. Just like that, just like that. Oh my goodness, what is that? Okay. So now we're gonna take the egg and crack it right here. Oh, okay. Then the shell come out. Ooh, look at that professional egg. Wash your hands. Oh, isn't it yummy? Okay, maybe we'll just cook a professional egg. Just let it dry for a while. Now let it dry for a while. Is it done? Okay, maybe it's done. Oh, it's done. Okay. Go. Oh, look at that. Okay, maybe this is not the perfect egg, but this is only I can do. The yolk is coming out, but never mind. We try our best. Okay. It's a yolky egg. It's just a normal egg. We're doing a normal egg. It looks yummy. Okay. Let's see. Voila. Ooh. Don't you think it's yummy, guys? If it's yummy, just tell me in the comments down below. So yummy. Next time I'm gonna try it before we end this video. Okay, it looks kind of yummy. I think it's kind of ready. Okay, let's off the fire. Voila. Now let's get it and put it on the plate. Wow. We want to get the extra small pieces, you know. Those small pieces. Let's try to get that. Oh, sweet. There we go. Hey, I can't get them anymore. Well, on this side. There we go. Okay. So now we got our yummy egg. So you can put some chili on your one, and you can put some tomato sauce over here if you want. But I'm gonna put thyme leaves. You can see the label right here, thyme leaves. We're gonna put a little bit, like just like that, just like that. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna show you how much you wanna put. You don't wanna put too much. First, let me get this finger in there. Okay. You can maybe put like that little. Just sprinkle it like a sparkle. Just sprinkle it like you're putting sparkles on your donuts. Okay. Well, look at this. Yumminess. Well, let's try it. First, I'm gonna get a fork. I am back with the clean fork, and let's try it. My own masterpiece. Mwah! Falisco. Come on, come on. It's not so bad. It's yummy, especially the crunchy one. Let me try the yolk. Let me try the yolk. Yummy. It's very yummy. It's super duper yummy. Y'all should try it. You should cook it, learn it. You should try it your own. But remember to put slow fire, and not it'll be like over here all black. All black. Like pretend this is black, it's all black. All black. All black. It's all black. Just pretend it's black. So remember to put slow fire, and remember to subscribe. Bye!